Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to prepare egg and cheese toast. Here we go. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. First thing first, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then, we prepare 2 slices of bread and use our thumb to press out the indentation so that you will be able to catch the egg. I use the side of the hand to press it. Remove from the tray to release any sticking to the bottom. Remove other piece of bread and return it back. For the cheese slice, I wrap it. We are going to divide it into 4 equal pieces. Remove it from the wrapper. Place it back to the wrapper. Fold it towards the wrapper for a clean cut. By folding towards the wrapper, the cheese would be able to release easily from the wrapper and it will prevent sticking to each other. Fold half again towards the wrapper. It's okay to bake irregular. During the cooking it will melt and you can't see anyway. So fold half for the last time. We have divided the cheese into almost 4 equal portions now. Let's work on the bread again. So we will place the cheese slice onto the bread. Align a bit more to the left. So we will place the second slice to overlap with the first slice, so that the egg will not flow out. Zero waste. The bread base are ready for us to crack the egg into the well. Pour the egg carefully so that it stays within the well. So we will crack the next egg and put it into the well as well. It is ready to be placed into the oven. Move slowly so that the egg will not spill. Place into the preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Six minutes later, we will start to see it is floating up. 10 minutes later, it is all ready for us to remove and to be served. I prefer my egg to be a bit hard, so I do it at 10 minutes. You may want to reduce the timing if you want it to be softer. So next we will loosen the bread with a fork, both of them, and we are ready for plating. I like to serve this toast with a cup of black coffee. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have tried out the recipe, please let me know in the comment down below. Or you may have other suggestions for me to improve on my video. Thank you. Bye.